Interpreting the Bank 1 data box plot. Recall Bank 1 was the bank located in the commercial district. This is the box plot that we had just created. So if we look at it, we see that our median was at about 4.5 minutes. We see our minimum waiting time was under a minute. It was 0.38, but here you can see that it's less than even half, so it was very quick. And our maximum waiting time was over 6 minutes, so probably about 6.5, and from our output we know that it was 6.46 from our 5-number summary. We know that. So box plots are very useful. They are good for comparing data sets, two different data sets, and this is why we are using them to compare the Bank 1 and Bank 2 data. Here are our quartiles. This was our first quartile, which is 3.2 minutes, and we can see on the graph here that's about where it is. And our third quartile would be just a little over 5.5 minutes, so here. And this box right here is called the interquartile range, or the middle 50, and it shows the spread of the data, or the variability of the data. And the larger the interquartile range, the more variable the data are. And if you have a skewed data set, you want to use the interquartile range as your measure of variation instead of the standard deviation. Okay, so from the box plot, we can determine the shape of the data. So we see that the median is here, and we see that this part of the box is a little bit larger. The median is not in the center, so it's not symmetrical. And we see that this whisker is being pulled out. There are a few exceptionally short waiting times that are pulling that out and creating this tail. And so we have a left skewed distribution. There are some very small values pulling the mean downwards. And so the mean is less than the median. And we can verify that by looking at our descriptive statistics as well. We see that the mean is slightly less than the median. Because median's at 4.5 and this mean is at 4.28667, or approximately 4.3. So it's slightly smaller, so it is slightly skewed. But this is how you can read the box plot. It's very useful.